In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google AI Studio API Key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to name your key, so it's easy to manage later. First, open your browser and head to astudio.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use. You should land on the Google AI Studio homepage. The interface can look slightly different depending on your screen size or recent updates, but the option you need is consistent. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll find a button labeled Get API Key. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over or expand it so that option appears. Go ahead and click Get API Key and you'll be taken to the API Keys page inside Google AI Studio. This is where all of your keys for AI Studio will be listed and managed. On the API Keys page, click the button that says Create API Key. This opens a short form or dialog where you'll set up the new key. You'll see a field to name your key. Rename it based on your needs so you can recognize it later. A clear descriptive name goes a long way, especially if you end up creating more than one key. For example, you might name it something like development, staging, or mobile app, depending on how you plan to use it. Choose a naming style you can stick with over time. Once you've set a name that makes sense, confirm the creation by clicking Create Key, and that's it. The key will be generated immediately and shown on the screen. Treat this value like a password. Do not share it publicly, do not post it in screenshots, and avoid pasting it into places where others can see it. If you plan to use it in code, keep it in a secure location, such as environment variables or a secrets manager. If you ever suspect it has been exposed, you can return to this API Keys page and remove it, then create a new one using the same simple process. To recap, you started on the Google AI Studio homepage, used the Get API Key shortcut at the bottom left, clicked Create API Key, gave it a clear name, and then finalized with Create Key. You now have a working Google AI Studio API Key ready for your projects. Thanks for watching. If this helped, keep exploring AI Studio features and stay organized with clear key names as your projects grow.